Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my second annual Fabfitfun subscription. Let's get into it and check it out. This is our fall 2023 box. I've already done my first subscription box, so I will link that at the end of this. This is my second box. I do have one overlap item, so let's just get into it. If you are new to Fabfitfun, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. I will put all of the information down below. If you have any interest in checking it out, I will put the link that will get you $10 off your first box. And that is what it looks like when we open it up. We have all of our paperwork, and those are our goodies. I'm so excited. I'll try and leave that sitting balanced right there. We have the same paperwork that we had in our first box. Our Hello Fresh. We have more Ricola. This is the same flavor, caramel with liquid center. So I will set these aside for whoever gets the first cold this season. They get to taste those. And I'm just hoping I remember this at the end of this video, because in my first video I didn't. I ended up doing it with my add-ons. This is what we get for a scratcher. You can try and win your fortune. Actually, I think a $10,000 prize pack is the best one. We get the code now at the end. We have no kind of book. I was finished with my first unboxing before I thought, hey, we have nothing. So they've gone completely digital with their books. In my first unboxing, I went through all of the choices that you could have made in each customization. We won't do that again here. I'm just gonna show you the choices that I made. We're just gonna get right in here and see what I chose. I have to dig for my customization one because I remember what it is. I got 2 sets of the Our Place wine glasses. This was my choice in customization 1 in my other box also. And if you only had one box, they were allowing, at least at the beginning, I'm not sure once it got to seasonals, but they were allowing you to select more than one set. So you could have gotten 4 in just one box. And I did pink ones in both boxes because I wanted a set of 4 that matched. Again, they are so stinking pretty. All of my glasses, can you see them here? No. All of my wine glasses are in a cabinet right there. They're all just Riedel regular wine glasses. So it is so fun to have some pretty pink ones. Both sets of mine, all 4 glasses, are in impeccable, perfect condition. They are stamped on the bottom. It's probably better without my hand there. Our Place, so you can see that. It came in this nice Our Place box. And like I said, both sets that I got, perfectly delivered. In customization 2, I chose the Timberland scarf. And I'm here to tell you, I am pleased. Online, it looked very mustard. I was a little worried. Mustard is not a great color for me to put at my face. This is less, I mean, it's still kind of mustard, but it leans, I don't even have a word. It's almost like that 1970s deeper than mustard look that's in. This is more like a brown mustard instead of, don't think French's, think Dijon. That is what that looks like to me. This is super soft. I love that the bottom is flat and not tasseled. I have the Timberland branding, which really doesn't matter to me. Yes, I'm that old. It's very pretty. I worried that it would be super short. It's not. Of course, I'm sitting, but it's hitting my lap and then breaking out a good 6 to 8 inches. So the picture online made it look super short. It's not. I'm ready. I just did a whole thing in my add-ons where I talked about, I don't want summer to go away. I want to enjoy summer. I'm not wishing my life away. I'm just wishing it was 72 degrees. I'm done with the hot. It's been a hot one. I know so many of you guys have had it so much worse than we have over here on the East Coast. I know that the Midwest and the Southwest, it has been super hot. But I'm really pleased with the color and the feel of this. This is super nice. No regrets. Customization 3, I did the Vegamore. I also did additional selections. So yeah. I have a total of 6. Here's my thinking. I plan to love it. It was $12. If you go to their website right now to buy this, it is $36. $36. So if by chance I like it, I just saved I saved $24 on each one of these. So even in the 4 that I just did as additional selections, I saved almost $100. Plus, I'm figuring my daughter's gonna hit me up for a couple. So I have the Vegamore, chose this for my customization 3 and did additional selections. I've now opened 2 of these. I opened one in my other box too. It smells so good. I was trying to decide last time if it smelled like the other Vegamore products, and I think it does. It is talc-free, which I love. It has the stuff in it that helps your hair grow, just like the other Vegamore products. I plan to love this and to use the heck out of it. My choice for customization 4 was the socks. Part of the reason I chose this is because I figured very few people were probably doing the socks, and you guys might like to see them. There was nothing else in the customization that I really needed, and I figured one of my girls would really like this. I'm going in with the assumption right now that as a bigger girl, it's probably not fitting great over my calves. One of the pictures that they showed us, they were wearing it just kind of slouched down. I could probably pull that off. Oh my gosh. These are so soft. They are by, and I said this wrong probably the whole time, they are by Putis. I don't know. There's that if you just want to use that to go over and check them out. They say they are sweater stocks, and they were long. Yeah. Look how long that is. I mean, that is a lot of sock. I mean, that would come, that's my leg up past my knee. I mean, that is absolutely my leg up past my knee, but yeah, no, not a chance. Not a chance. So I will see how I feel about them as a slouch sock, or I might just go ahead and pass it along to one of my granddaughters. Very soft though. Really, can you guys see the design in it? Real happy with the way that it turned out. Very pretty. Customization 5, I chose the Lujo Bar Eucalyptus Shower Steamers. I feel like I can smell a little bit of the eucalyptus through the bag, so that's gotta be a good sign. That is what they look like. I bought these just to set aside and wait for the winter cold. One of us will get it, my husband, me, both of us. And I just thought this in the shower with the eucalyptus just blasting our sinuses would be fantastic. So I'm going to set this aside for that. I love that Fabfitfun was thinking the same thing because they gave us those free Ricola drops to try. I've got a whole pack to set aside and just wait for somebody to get sick. But in the pack you got 4, and I find that if you put these just out of the stream, you can usually get more than one shower out of them. But if you're looking for a huge blast of eucalyptus, you might want to put it like right under you so you just get. And finally, in customization 6, I chose the Obey waist bag, and that is what that looks like. It's got the sides. This has the side just like my Lululemon bag does. It looks just like it. The waistband is black though. It feels like a cross. I mean, it's definitely a nylon. I hope that didn't bother you. It's a cross between nylon and almost a polyurethane. The back it's a really soft mesh. I just bought my father for Father's Day an Orioles cap, and this feels very much like the top of that cap did. It's super soft, but it does not open in the back, and I don't know why. I thought that it did. We have one big open area in the center, and then it's got the zipper pull. Very nice zipper, which opens to another area. And then there is the front zipper. So this is the one that I would have my phone in. And that is what that looks like. So front little area, and then the inner area. This might actually get used for its intended purpose. I might keep it. My intent when it's not 1.5 billion degrees outside is to start walking more this fall, and I might just put in this what I need to be gone from the house, like a house key, shove my phone in here, maybe a little lippy, my AirPods, that kind of thing. This will be perfect for that. The only other thing I have in this box is, in this box I did leave a refill mystery bundle, and it's just the regular $24.99, I think is what it is now, refill mystery bundle. In my first box, I turned it into the home bundle, but this one I left like this. It was kind of my way of ensuring that I wouldn't get the same thing in both boxes. First out, we have a 3-piece silicone baking set, and it includes the baking mat, a spatula, and a mini spatula. I got this when it could come out in our boxes. I'm gonna leave this put together because it is sealed so that I can pass it on as a gift if I want. I can tuck it in somebody's gift basket, but it was the white. Do you remember the white with the little sparkly blue on it that we could put in our boxes? I'm sure that that's what this is. Does it say blue or anything on it? No, it doesn't say, but assumptions will be made. Okay, next out I have Fenty. Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. Ooh, that's kind of fun. I do love a new lip balm, although I did get the Summer Fridays in my, I've never had this, Summer Fridays in my first box. I have never had this. Very exciting. I love that the bottom, can you see it's kind of a fancy bottom because, you know, Fenty, why wouldn't it be fancy? I did not see that coming. Oh, I did not see that coming. I wish I had not taken that out. I don't feel like I can do a giveaway once I've taken it out, but I didn't realize it was gonna be a color. Cocoa Drizzle. I'm gonna put this back in here without using it. I can't use Cocoa Drizzle, so I will try and find this at home. Hopefully it will be a light shade. If you've used this, let me know below. If it's a sheer shade, my daughter can probably use it. If not, I will try and find it at home. And last out, we have a Le Dior Seraphine. I think it's gonna be a huge candle. Look how big that is. It's gorgeous. It's number 14, Fig Leaf and Cedar Wood. It does sound like a scent that I would like. Oh my gosh, that smells so nice and posh. Ooh, the top is a lid. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I have to tell you, I feel really like, as mystery bundles go, having opened all my mystery bundles now, I think I got really lucky with all three. This smells so grown up and posh. I hope that the throw is as strong as this because it is lovely. Oh my goodness. How beautiful that is. And those kind of look like fruits, so I could set it in my kitchen if I wanted to, but the colors, I could set it in my bedroom if I wanted to. This is just, yay, that feels like a winner. And that is from La Pietra, A Warm Day in the Mediterranean. Oh, those are figs. Fig leaf and cedar wood. I should have been able to work that out. A warm day in the Mediterranean with the fragrance of sun-ripened figs filling the soft air. Infused with essential oils and featuring notes of fig leaf, cedar wood, and fig sap. Number 14 is warming yet fresh. That's true. Well, that is beautiful and it smells lovely. What a fun mystery bundle, and I loved my second box. Let me go ahead and scratch my scratcher here and see if we're a winner. It says, sorry, not an instant winner, but I think you can go to Fabfitfun and sign up for more prizes. Thank you so much for coming by. That was my second box. I am really pleased with Fabfitfun this season. I feel like my mystery bundles rocked. I feel like I love all of my products. I'm still wearing this because I just taped my first box and I chose this in my first box. I think it's super pretty. Very happy. Let me know what you guys think below. If you are interested in Fabfitfun, I will put a link. It will get you $10 off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great evening, guys.